Bounce. West side, make them bounce right now. Right now. North side, make them bounce right now. Right now. Middle finger to the odds right now. Is you down for the cause right now. Right now. Fed side, make them bounce right now. Right now. Get the money and we out right now. Right now. We the boys that they want right now. In the spot right now, make them bounce right now. Like that.
Y'all already know what time it is. Comment shout outs.
Yes!
Cassie Venna. Thanks, girl, for the support.
Your YouTube channel is A1.
Realia.
Thanks, girl. You're always supporting all the time.
Ose. Okay.
I see you. Thanks for the support.
Beauty Alley 86 by Shannon.
You stay supporting. I love it.
Thank you. What is good, everyone? Welcome back to another Melanin Mondays. And in this video, I'm going to show you all how I achieved this look using mostly all Black Opal products. Black Opal is another cosmetics brand that's been around for quite a while, and you know I gotta show y'all what's up, okay, what's going on with Black Opal. You already know. If you think the melanin is is popping, you know what you gotta do. You gotta keep on watching. I have my eyebrows and foundation done already. Didn't have the Black Opal foundation in the color that I usually get, which is beautiful bronze. So I opted and used one of my favorite foundations ever, which is the Black Radiance Mousse foundation in the color Toffee. Enough about those other products. Let's get into Black Opal. The first Black Opal product I'm going to use is their concealer right here. This is their Flawless Concealer. This is my first time ever trying this concealer. So what I like to do, I like to warm it up a little bit on the back of my hand. I just warm it up and then I'm gonna start. I need to work on my woe because I'm not hitting it correct. And I'm just blending that out with my flat foundation brush right here. And from what I'm getting, this isn't bad. The more I rubbed it in under my eye, the better it blended out. So I like what I see. And let me take my foundation brush and just blend that out. Okay, Black Opal. Okay, Black Opal, I see you. I ain't mad at you. Hey, Black Opal, so the concealer blended out nice. As you can see, it did a pretty good job. I've been using this Black Opal powder for such a long time. The Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder, and it's the oil control formula. And this is in the color medium. Shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. And I'm gonna put it under my...
You gotta swirl it around. Swirl it around.
Let me put a little bit more because we want that to set. Honestly, you want this to set, and if there is any fallout from the eyeshadow, we want it to catch that. So we have our under eye setting and baking. You already know it got to be highlighted, okay? Then we're going to do eyeshadow. I recommend that you actually go on the Black Opal website and order all your products from there. I love using Amazon, honestly, to order anything because they have the 2-day shipping. And you know, I'm a Prime member, so I have to get that 2-day shipping. But I was able to find this eyeshadow deal right here on Amazon. It's a champagne-ish, whitish sparkle on one side and then a really dark, looks like a brown on the other side. You know what? I have been doing a lot of champagne-ish type looks. So your girl you know what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna do a smoky eye. So since those are the two colors I have to have some type of transition color because those are very two extreme colors from bright to dark. So I'm going to use the same powder that I have in the medium but in a darker color, and this is in Deep 05. Same thing, Deluxe.
It's almost done, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is all I have left. I'm be sad.
The reason why I'm almost done with this and I run out of this quite a bit and I keep on buying it over and over again is because I love using it just for what I'm using it for right now as a transition color. Spray this by itself, put a little bit of mascara on it, I'm out the door when I'm not trying to do a lot with my makeup.
How many faking they streams, getting they plays from machines? I can see behind the smoke and mirrors, niggas ain't really big as they seem. I never say anything, everybody got their thing. Some niggas make millions, other niggas make memes. I'm on a money routine, I don't want smoke, I'm on cream. I don't want no more comparisons, this is a marathon, and I'm aware I've been playing the like a promotion. I never was one for the bragging and boasting, I guess it was over.
Now that we have that deep finishing powder on our lids, so now I'm gonna go in with color right here in the palette, this one right here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. What I'm noticing right now is that I love this color, okay? So it's not really like a brown, it's like a plum. And y'all know I love anything within the purple color scheme. It has a little mirror right here too, so I don't even have to grab my mirror. I mean, and I swear this was only $4.99. Get it, get with it, okay. So now that we have that on, let's blend that out. I'm just gonna use one of my brushes and just blend this out. Should I wipe it down? Wipe it down. The plum, we're gonna take some of that, take it, and then put it under our eye. So we're gonna just dab a little bit, not too much, because we don't want to look like we got a purple eye. Okay, not trying to look like we got into a brawl. So I'm gonna take the little champagne-ish color right here, champagne-ish pink, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. There we go, just put that on, dab it, then put it in the inner corner. I'm
really liking this palette. I'm happy that I got it.
I like to exaggerate it a little bit, coming a little bit down. So you're gonna angle it, coming a little bit more down. Eyeshadow is on and popping with the smoky eye. So now that we have our eyeshadow done, we're gonna sweep the powder under our eyes, you know, the usual. I actually got the Black Opal foundation stick in the color Carob. It's one of the most popular products Black Opal sells. I see a bunch of people using it and they have all the colors. I picked it up in a contour color. So let me put that on top of my powder. Oh, I like the color. And the color is very realistic. Let me use my flat top brush to blend that out. This went on so creamy and slick. I didn't have to drag too much or pull my skin. Wow, okay, I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed, Black Opal, with this foundation stick.
Ew. I'm looking at it, looking at me. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's really good.
And now we're gonna move on to eyelashes. Black Opal doesn't have any eyelashes. I mean, Black Opal, get on it. Just like Black Radiance, you need to get on it and get some eyelashes to complete the look. But I'm going to use my Amazon lashes. They're really bomb. I have them linked down below. So our eyelashes are now on. I wanted to try something different with my lips because usually I just put on some clear lip gloss and some brown lip liner, but I did pick up this lipstick from Black Opal. This is in the color Bonbon. I really love the packaging of this. So last, but you know, is never the least, is the highlighter. This highlighter stick from Black Opal, and it's in the color Golden Lights. Ooh, okay. I usually don't use cream.
It's not in your face.
You know, sometimes you don't have to have highlighter that's like all up in there. It's more of a natural highlighter.
You can still be shining without blinding, okay?
And this is the final look, y'all. I mean, Black Opal, they're once again inexpensive. They get the job done without giving you too much of a hassle. It feels good to support these brands that have been making makeup for women that look like me. It's a pleasure to share with y'all all these products, and thank you all for making it to the end of this video. So y'all already know, if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, okay? Comment down below. If you want to get featured on my next video, please tap or click that subscribe button, join the family, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
Hey, you gotta subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the new shit's out. You already know. Get on this.
Hey, hey, pride's gonna be the death of me. Hold up, wait, you know you gotta guard your energy. You can't match my pedigree, now you gotta pay a fee. This ain't free, what you need, go, go.